Hello, honey. Now tell us about this beauty.
Well, I wanted to do a tramp steamer ever since I saw King Kong, you know. So I got a profile I found in a book, and I went from there and just sort of made everything up as I went along. Most of the parts are wood, but I found a few parts out of plastic kits that I put on there. But the hull and the superstructure and everything are wood. The deck house here is paper, and so is this house is paper.
It's great. Let's see it.
Masts are bamboo skewers. You still running?
Yep.
The booms are toothpicks.
Let's put a close-up on that then so we can see that.
You see how much more pitch there is on this one?
Yeah.
Slows it down.
Yeah, look at that.
That's a cut down model airplane propeller.
Oh, that's great. These are so creative. It's so much
The
fun.
smokestack was made out of a aluminum cigar tube that I slit and then made, you know, to the size I wanted. That works very well because it's very light, but you know, it looks scale.
Great.